The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is redefining luxury travel on wheels. For those who crave freedom without sacrificing sophistication, this latest offering from Mercedes blends the brand's signature elegance with cutting-edge functionality. Whether you're a road trip veteran or just stepping into the van life movement, this motorhome delivers the ultimate mix of comfort, performance, and style. Let's talk about the design first. From the outside, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome looks sleek and modern, with smooth body lines, LED lighting, and a bold front grille that proudly displays the iconic three-pointed star. Built on the latest Sprinter chassis, it ensures a stable and responsive driving experience. The high ground clearance and aerodynamic shape make it perfect for both highways and off-grid destinations. Alloy wheels and premium paint options give it a presence that turns heads no matter where you park it. Inside is where the real magic happens. Step in, and you're greeted by a spacious, open-concept interior that feels more like a boutique hotel suite than an RV. Mercedes has used high-quality materials throughout: soft leather seating, ambient LED lighting, real wood accents, and even marble-style countertops. The layout is thoughtfully designed to maximize space, offering a full kitchen, a luxurious sleeping area, a convertible lounge, and a high-end bathroom with a rain shower and heated floors. Technology plays a big role in the 2026 model. You get a fully integrated smart control system accessible via touchscreen and smartphone. From lighting and climate control to entertainment and water usage monitoring, everything is at your fingertips. There's also a large OLED infotainment screen up front, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium surround sound system to make every drive and stopover enjoyable. Performance-wise, Mercedes has equipped this motorhome with a turbocharged diesel engine or an optional hybrid powertrain, depending on your preference. It delivers smooth acceleration, excellent fuel efficiency, and enough torque to handle mountain passes or long-distance journeys with ease. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and automatic emergency braking ensure you're traveling with peace of mind. What sets the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome apart is how seamlessly it combines the ruggedness of a camper with the luxury of a premium vehicle. Solar panels on the roof, a high-capacity lithium-ion battery system, and a quiet generator mean you can go off-grid for days without compromising on modern comforts. Plus, clever storage solutions and expandable outdoor living space make it practical for both weekend escapes and full-time travel. In short, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome isn't just a way to travel. It's a statement. It's for those who want to explore without limits, but in complete comfort and elegance. Whether you're chasing sunsets on the coast or waking up to mountain views, this motorhome ensures the journey is just as breathtaking as the destination.